Hello there, fellow archers and culture nuts. This is the latest ring from archeryring.com, and this is for Tristan. He requested a Rhino without the horn, so we gave it to him. This is Tristan's Peaceful Rhino, and that's our brand right there. The classic Studio Tese logo. Thumb goes in. We have a place for a proper middle finger to grab on. That's your strongest grabbing finger, and pointer goes in here. And we are just about to apply the Chinese wood oil and see what that looks like. So yeah, we're getting that color that we're after, and can't wait for Tristan to get it. And I really sincerely hope he loves it. And I'll see you later. Archeryring.com.